Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to flip text in Google Slide. So we want to flip text in Google Slide. Here is how we can get it done. The first thing you have to do is you have to delete the background image. So you make sure that what we have left is just the text. So I'm just going to click on the text and drag it to the middle. Then right here I'm going to tap on this three dot option, which is more button. So from there I will tap on format option, and from there make sure I tap on this option which is size and rotation. I'm going to tap on it, it's going to open it for me. So I'm going to tap on this flip button, which is flip horizontally. You can also choose vertically. You can see choose. I can also use the rotate 90-degree option for me to flip and play around this flipping option. So if I want, I can also use the vertical option, the flip option, then the rotate 90-degree option, and that's how to flip text in Slide. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.